Today we'll talk about how can you delete your account on your app, on your OneNote app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on account down here. When you just click on account, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do next, so you just scrolling down here until you will find your preferences, just click on it. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here delete account, just click on delete account here. So then just switch in here to open with you. So then here it's going to show for you like this here. You select the reason here, and here can you add why or reason, and you click here on permanently delete account, and it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.